non kura papa ho sima aduanan miensa Kesben 3.3 afei na mraso say the midfield action no ebremu yamamu nyina chi eba program yi eso ye cheche obi a emrena so say ye de agudie mu nsem no ebremu dumienu epegie mu na news no enso atoa so ntentem ede amamu Tony atrasi ede amonone nsem no ebebre na yenyina ni menra de go see our Lisbon Portugal Bayern echi PSG show mo kabako mo entimi anti Martin abewe Bayern champions wo Europe na ehunsem bebrebe Tony Abobwa no audi ebre ansana transfer stories latest ninyina no Abobwa no edi ebre okay yenyina na enkono ho na enkuti do di ebre 050716 8557 0507168557 and no SMS line no for messages no emra na you can find my so na mo fa WhatsApp near 0244263902 0244263902 for messages no bra na e also no near WhatsApp line no e wa na between the videos outdoor afade abre mo de ADH of Facebook no pamcho facebook.com/kesbenfm and Kesben Sports our Facebook usabekai na wahwe live maybe I will be your Twitter handle here at Kesben Sports M at Kesben Sports M sounds like wahwe live or Twitter or twitter.com/Kesben TV with my download to Kesben FM app on so Play Store na honso no what me ahwe live imo munyina achi eba program yi eso Montana di Tony emre kopa nti we the yen city ho bia enchere ho straight weekend is in a boko there
obibia de dia woduna
all right they are go pass da na have you me shifia me ntwimpi na madano me fafu no papa Tony hey fa credit be guso nasa na timene na me no de test ade no Obapa just we
onyame adom obapa won
ye momo no onya botre
okay
momo no be bu the phone so okay
me Judy
yes
me Judy
yanko
wala mena so ntiantu fade hen sama ekos onko for ekro so yan sha san free eno game ekos so our Lisbon Champions League abra eno Dominic esha ba ko ema PSG entimi anti after the game no ye unse Neymar esunsun a na chese ano odin ye pa ema eteke David Alaba ani Hansi Flick say omukọ Neymar ho ekoche Neymar rest football the sanity to the bia Osmale to the bi so am na just a disappointment etimi aba na just after the game and na say Khalifa president Emma Paris Saint-Germain so or share Neymar ball say very soon and PSG Champions League no omo enso ebetimi apagentianra no omo entimi andia any kwan say Neymar ono enso etim esu na anapa ye show video bia na just Paris Saint-Germain fans don't never give up and no any message Lewandowski and just said the oye bia no any concert umo abem am enso etim ebu na Kingsley Coman okonya go no eto so enya man of the match so no there nani age at the same time Neraho because nani age o wini sa trophy we eman ho eman the club Neraho because o say go no etian the former club and then the family members no and am say omoya France Fontina bi enso support PSG was say a better suite na no enso etim action akoma mu a etere bia na nani age tere bi so a na ne run am enso etim aho na so on Kingsley Coman and Don Fabio Capello a former manager eman so many classes so Ekochi international team no or say Juventus I am from so pa set your best 99 omuja Eman Thierry Henry at a younger age of free club no Musa Pepe and Kingsley Coman de koye naka Kingsley Coman on betim e develop amana be better player say the bam for nyana so fa so was na omo e konya bia so ma akoda na team atena onye na say give for a team ato akoda na 20 trophies and akoda so kita and from soccer pa and Juve form am enso team aye na Louis Nazario Dalema Ronaldo no free Brazil betima akasa muchumudu no was say mad for some investment between Mbappe and the Neymar dia obeto for straight away or some call for Kylian Mbappe do say Neymar onimu bo ye come be no the better player Neymar and so we age na Kylian Mbappe or no and age on the side or some mad for and so investment bia or am and so enchu so Kylian Mbappe Luton now ye ram enso e wo figure so ya or ye former player Emma Barca waboma de pen was on the onya sure say Messi ono ebetim every Barca because Messi Barca and then Barca enso Messi or say there be NC say Messi ebetim every Barca am enso football club no na ye ko Barca for na so ya Openi Bakwa, ono super sober president Emma Barca, enso football club no run the Eddie Jody Fair. Also no on a Georgian club Eddie Kumasi Kobasa Motraba Emonu Jody se ambe president and former Barca or the coach of the club and so a bit abe manager Eddie Ama Barca and so a club no na Yakobasa so a head coach no says Netherlands players no a person form na the latest and said Nicolas Tagliafico no and left back player say Barca for Niabra Obeso Kofa than every IS eba say Ronald Koeman and then say oya Dutch international team players no or Chimon Adiaba yate Georgino Reginaldum yate Memphis Depay and afia Samson at Tagliafico so person do Barca omo enso ebobokon Raul so afan wa Philip Bruta say UEFA Omo youth league no final match and about say some of the 4 team qualifier also one of Canada so person youth league no and they say there omo enso team edu final and LH for any promotion the last time omo La Liga was 5 years ago and omo course second B and not that enso team again promotional else Girona Kabakwa Girona team anti say LH enso qualifier enso eba abesi aka our Spanish league no enso na yanko Arsenal for so Arsenal for our assistant coach Freddy Lumberg I resign na Mikel Arteta person or the replacement eba or say or the another legend eba this time ya just say Dennis Beckham and I say the Mikel Arteta person the backroom staff no or don't know I'm enso ebeka now I'm Jesse Marsh and so a head coach Emma RB Leipzig and I said RB Salzburg bisa said DNT and RB Biaron I'm Liverpool football match ya on the player so far 3 players and a free Salzburg about Abesi I'm a Liverpool Takumi Minamino I'm Sadio Mane and then Abiketa no and I Jesse Eka some style of play no I'm enso ayepe na Sergio ye train say Ben Chilwell mobile announcement say mon site timiaka enti defender Madine Chiache the former manager be say akola ne tin atani awi we decided to be free Leicester
when 35 years and so Enra me hu no Chelsea nyana
Thiago Silva so no dey almost a dandy almost
and mo hu ni
hu pa yeah o leader bibia na Premier League na Americano na Mesroma ne kakra Premier League ne Americano 35 years
dinani mu jina hono mu
o dey bon say omo o dey bi menka
against Bayern no mu jina hono mu jina pa ko no mo
and they one no and they one
no but Chelsea no see Lewandowski ni na se for no ha no see oyi yo free bi no simple and no mu jina fa ko no no pero me gu I should there can informa Chelsea team pa so o sheba
I'm sheba
pa me born say Thiago Silva de be yi Kai Havertz de be yi team move na ne Kim Ziyech
mo wi some no ko training
jenya kopo afina ayedum gugu echi no mo hwebi
ye hwemanim this season
all right me that's it na yanko aja Nankaba ho. What are you saying?
Nyame adom. Se die. Me enview pa.
Who envy ni pa?
Who na me enview?
Who can tro ho envy no man no mu bi da.
Oh, send you tro.
Envy no man.
I tro.
Who envy me?
Of course.
Me too.
Yes pa.
Sa.
Me na me ka tro.
Me ni bisad.
Me masa.
Woni me unu ni pa.
Envy ni bre. Ene man fam rechu. Me ni bre pa.
Sa.
Pa.
Okay. Sa fi ba tro kwa no.
Kwa. Kwa efure ni ebie.
It's a few hours to be. Ejuma
kiti we there. Masa. Me see me envy.
There with my.
Me see me envy.
Okay.
And I jitum.
So.
Aye.
All right. Many be out.
Aye.
Because men got na so be ya. Those who permit me yama.
Aye, funny sir. MB there. Who say cheap guys eh?
All right.
Many
mother ofi.
Many brew pa. Many brew pa. Aye.
Okay.
that time decoder no oh yeah
so more than
of course ofie
me share the style bia obafia o phone wo ye
ai money
to silent and I feel so done phone
ai okay if you da ko ya me nane no ni da ho na be ye free silence so
ni free silence ni so
oh don't and na kwa ba call by ma of frame say call obi frame me nti me ko fai
o kan o say adwuma ni e fra adwuma ni e
enya adwuma na
mo so live we bo na ba
masa me view bio
number 2 mother say kwa me ba fi na o hwe no phone na wu a or the two silence or the shed trouser pocket no hanging Okatro we dey babona ka me next style I will use it no or the best bottom or hanging phone no awa di papa otiwa
obedi se
aji papa
asumdie na so yes am asumdie be fie
phone to silent na the shop trouser pocket
na hanging yes enu masumdie be fie
na o hwe phone na hu a o hwe trouser the was say ho by so ba all right
yeah be ko pa
finfini be weekend e aduane na o de kire me so wudi me surprise o ne
sa
adina de sin che no me de mo so mfo to TV de so abe
oh untimi nya sa
ndi wo ka de kwa na de sin abeti de che
oh but untimi nya sa
den na o de kire den na o de utwabre me no
dem twabre on
yes they are the aka
amo so TV Champions League
ore yoko ora manyawi
pesi Champions League
ora manyawi
Champions League am chabro
ora ko what was so we
Mr. Champions League somaka Champions League
okay
stop and efrefi oh Mr. Kwabena Jemfi
okay
I'm in view papa
me transnamin chadi binim Tony enye ready dia na mo kakra okay Alaji Ashai e banana modi soja DB omuni nkan fa soja ni no emreme wahye ne soja tade pa menim so we betima identify branch na ansa na me yi nanim yi we dem fa ne soja tade na emreme okay enti enen so I don't know ye ba sisi enye ready yenko Alaji baba Ashai na kwa menko trase neba ugo bia is wani brena escafo ukruma okay Alaji
Sadio
Chaboko
Sadio alhamdulillah
yanko pansi
Sadio obi ka chewo se uko ko ka sempa fa ehu no pese o kire sei
ni se o ade a wo ye no anya o ni asempa bia wo sasa semboni ne ho
ni pa kropa onko abijan oh yes a briye di ba beka la proca de ba beka
na zo won sema enye wo ana wo pacho ze ko kasen pamfa ho
debi
na say
kotoko supporter bi mi free matra Halo FM ba mani ma amba be faka ba metra no ne kan wa pake no pai tek mtwemu ati han o koroko kasen pamfa ye ho bisu betina medi kotoko fo atem a newspaper
that is why I dear we are always be abeti and I always about bonting and the men kasa so no mo kasa papa
said that be then say I say French for the bana me kan metia kotoko me was house dey ba me kan
okay
media ma dey ba me kan ti
you go
said Joe if you don't has committees mensa and a meeting if you don't know but a technical meeting with the coach ni ama odum pedifo bisa no fa place in situation no so the bia oni place no communicate on bia in the individual training ya tambia so no akasa coach ni ama odum sai so extra place no ti fa se place na apom din sam ne ni de ya meda o ma bibia ekoyi whatsapp the team pedifo no say number of players are obetimi no mo aye adwuma ti enso hand bibia de ama committee no timripam o ma debe o be kolon o so be katimu no ni number of players I don be adwuma so no o mo di edi ni nyina ebeba na dudo na so sa center o ai pobima project no o mo sisi no foundation ba ko wo twene coach ni project manager no awie se say no me fa no say failing ewie anom de yagu so akasta so kama mu wie a na che say take his phone so aba according to project manager no kire say 80% done your friend no Justice Adehunu project has my project manager no was 80% done tidia Canada nyameda woro makaka kra bi na omawi by the end of September you October no amu no o me hand over e de ama Lawrence Accra so folk sejo mamenko people a friend Saben Akrofom Tutu Sport na na o se Kofi Saben Akrofom hene we say Asante Kotoko is on course Saben Akrofom Tutu Sport and the buy so here hombo Asante Kotoko ye na they are on course sejo we Bontuku Express we say Club du Ghana au Pressoir di Accra Formation Solomon Lama Atoudier Le Monde le soir beaucoup c'est Joe according to Bontuku Express if you more any say Asante Kotoko so baby home office main office that one crying on baby home office on crying let you say Accra repo when you afraid how no mudi timo no eba sana Bontuku Express eka was okay say yes ye nyam hwe ha yes ye be fe ho adwene se mo ba betu ye timi mu ayi body mu ne jeda mu hwe na mo nka na mo ba hae sana people no ka abriye body mu ne jeda mu na mo hwe nkankra na mo be office sana people na de ba hae
board bay
was a Kotoko board no amentimi ho asidi
board we
sana wo ka
ija to bla bay
amentimi hu was mo ayi ne Bontuku Express so mo hwe na mo nka ho asana mu nyankra na mo be office
you be ana se nkundumbo na mo twa
me twa nkundumbo
pepe sina meka wow kan so bit kakra bit maka afa ho ija da me
na wo ba ko fo je ni mo nyama
ija da
kan chama no die people na kana
me so me chira badwe na mama mbi ma no
bire de waka na maka sejo abriya
asa no kachia
me kachia no die people na kana wo se mo se mo ba baby office nkran no se mo hwe no mu ni mu fi asema se won kan we
nkran na yodia
wo se
nkran na yodia
na se mo betu ye ho
koi
krokotu ye nkase krokosene ye
rioko
abriye se club du Takwa Mediema la bonne sola atuyemoi tutule Kedebima Outrucation boté là-bas sont massoté c'est Joe according to abriye was hey Mediema na ekase ajugo de mututu almost pass na say ya bandin wo ya kura na moto 9 place send ya bandin mu de na kasi sese na mobeto abriye no o se bandin mu ya kura na moto 9 place ene sending ka ya bandin mu ya kasi sese some people no ka say Joe
club
Ghana has a winning for the club and is 1 year man to player what on kono the people no say ya bandi da so we ya kwa no waton kuni tintim hu nkrata
yankoi
sending ka ya bandi udan ka obato 66 sana people no ka
to aso
de bricha to la proca aussi club du Accra for citer là-bas auto-moi au volu appelle-moi Sakrabutu ça c'est quoi la moi merci beaucoup Dieu merci
Dieu aussi Dieu
merci
oui
aussi house of folk bonya hwe ha o bonya hwe ha da ne tete abetie no ni chemu ano no
omun san bi
masa omun paje ho ye me ho me ne so
omun san bi
yes omun san
bi ko san ya o si dabi wa ko san de bende me
the people na kana maka to ho
mo nya bi am be san
o man hine o ho ise daily graphic ne kan ya tap
san
Ghanaian times one only problem. Nyame na meka La Proca na eka place. La Proca say ye tete abetie ne niche mu ano no nkrofo no mo
nkrofo na wo ka mo de mutumi san na mo de mutumi san
na mo ye body mo ya ye body mo ya na mo sinsan
mo nya ska mbesan
tira briye ka no wo si asam body mo ya kwa na mo san nan sending kan ye body mo de kasi say
mo nya bi ambesan
say na people no ka
yenhwe first picture mo de be bremi e Kesben television eso. But we move fast. They will show you that. Oh, come on. Kasa Muntie. 0244263902. 0244263902. Whiny. We know about Kumasi as Antikotoko. Now over ball. Ewo Kumasi as Antikotoko striker pa. And then Odiso de America. Okay. And I'm sure that I'm doing the anymore. No, what the player no, I didn't come by. And 0244 move player na Kazamra. 0244263902. Sa player and I'm who say what so that they free the T copy me national. 0244263902 20 cities credit. I'm from my phone so says here. Now or strike and more commercial Santico 30 seconds. Paper is here. Abono ndo apa honsi maduonu enwotwe Kofi Etempo wonsem nyina no beka otrim maso mic no ka to ankomona na udi so o onya match e ma nyina akwa babio eba program yi eso yenko Champions League a final game of course Portugal Lisbon na yenko Bayern and PSG the film eba ni munsem transfer stories how do and the news how do course clubs no Andy Ken Minsha Semfenfrio so bia ho ye de full house Kofi Etempo ewa ha and the game Franco Naro and then Marijata, Mr. Newton, and so on. Yeah.
Well, I'm my uncle be neba birthday, Nobis Fashions, neba also Agent Gadgesbeck, and then the birthday in also, I was so happy birthday. So, Enra, na share say, Paris Saint-Germain, a bit to me, I join the Red Star Brigade in 1991 El Stadio San Nicola El Bari the Borussia Dortmund in the Stadium Olimpico Munich. These are two teams are first timers in the Champions League for the first time in 30 years. Say Ushia, one of the European grandmasters, and I say teams are more experienced a cathedral in the finals of the Champions League. Say first time Ubitimi Ashe say over the years, and I say about 40 years ago, the likes of Aston Villa Mutimisha Bayern Munich Etimisha Omo at their first time. I said you and Mutimi a boy. So she Bayern game Omo boy. I said you PSG decided to concede control and possession in midfield because no more believe we say with that attacker Omo Ewono Adie Betimi Abu Omo push you Omo no that pace in the attack. It is a ball to the back line of Team Ayefeno. Bayern Munich defense here. They have Neymar, they have Kylian Mbappe, and they have Fabian Angel Di Maria. Omubetimi are taking that advantage, No more team the ball at what them Ediamom. In terms here, their defense were okay. The only player now give them problem and consistently. No more problem. Abranti Fene Kingsley Komana. Sejo Otimi Enya go no. Omanya any antidote to stop him. And for the first time in many years, Amaho Kingsley Komano, Sejo, he was very, very productive. Normally, the game I say the pace no too much, but the final delivery was suspect. But then he was key to the setup, and it was the reason why Omar Tirokera problems or did that go at the Emma Aitima, your friend Bayern Munich. And he said, sorry, Bayern setup now. And the game, yes, or more in because Omu control, and yes, or more in here because Omu dominated possession. PSG had a perfect plan to their game plan and almost stopped almost several times. But again, at that stage, it's just like the Arsenal versus Barcelona game in 2006. It was started with the second. Said you sorry, Arsenal the ball no created chances in but at that stage you need experience. Obetim the ball no at them and you had the chances about Neymar back went to me here. You had the chance about Mbappe about 3 went to me here. Shabranti FN Fabian and Di Maria and look at Marcus Marquinhos Korea and at that stage in the final says you but against a team of more that experience. That's our chances and eba. That's all blowing in our way. The only thing I say, sa opportunity ni being so Edinburgh a team with that vast experience almost to beat him the two at them, and that was clearly showed in the game. Yes, I do. You're trying to know Bayern Munich taking that opportunity and chances about moving almost the ball the two at them, and almost sacrifice here because Serge Gnabry was out of the game. Thomas Müller he made sure setting on and off the ball or better running throughout and check how much he distribute to. I can't move fast to a channel. We could try no card. The next person needs to follow. Nipa no coach first one in contribute. A different person will come in, and that is what it means by experience at that particular stage. But Joe, and what difference was the goalkeeper for my friend Bayern Munich?
Yeah,
man, no, yeah. I don't make a difference, no. Last year Champions League final Wanda Metropolitano, the difference was between Alisson Becker and then the Tottenham was waiting 13 minutes or 8 point blank saves. And then I would the same thing. Check him out on Noya. Look at his anticipation, checking the timing, checking the reflexes, and check how I know it's the rest is so strong. Into your omoche bona as a libro. Sajo, Sabon, omo bona se be see her line that year. Check a coin on fast pay and check how is it clear and lines done very well for a team IFN Air Bayern Munich. And you kind of timing again. Say at that stage, you need a goalkeeper or you're solid. You need a goalkeeper or concentrate. You need a goalkeeper bema that top class performance. To say yeah, goalkeepers, Cesar, Edema, Inter Milan, and said you can check through the ranks. Teams are Almighty Champions League in recent times in at dear mom, you're so key. Their goalkeeper. Kelanovas in that respect. Well, Bayern control the game, but
as a PSG now,
oh, chance say you, I not like any money. Me, I'm friends of our money is, and I am a canon. Me, I'm in kind of lack. Me, funny say, our money.
Okay, all right. And the came, I don't know. Minko Marija Taho. I mean, some Musa specific questions. Mbappe, dear the man, flop one. Number 2, at the time, I'm PSG, down by a goal. Verratti, Andy Kano was a means, that time substitution, meaning who will be Kana. And again, dear Nema, coach in the starting Kingsley Coman ahead of Ivan Perisic.
The 3 questions, no.
I with my word, my grandma, Zanabia, why?
First one, Verratti, you know, tactical way mistake. You go down. Verratti, play be maintain possession, or be control game in midfield at the amount. Now, Sergio, now PSG aim, already changing, and so be maintaining game no, and answer more better moka. At that stage of the Champions League final, then the subsequent change I'll be making is substitution about add the attacking input to the game. Verratti add anything to the offensive side of PSG, but rather, or didn't pass a comment stop Tigua Cantara distribution is circulation and all your conchain. So first of all, your manager now that form by 1-0. Now say you also make a change and now we're Jenny. Opposition on the key player on my field, over close, and son, I want to make attacking change. So first of all, tactically wrong. Say Thomas Tuchel, but make that Verratti change at that particular point in time because Verratti by while Mama urge maybe or Sabe make extra fouls. Mbappe, one player and a key asset. Sergio, pace. Ye Tumrika. Now so buying style of play now, no more ball minimum more. And anytime be Mbappe beje ball no, almost close to no, hard more. So Mbappe be so effective in France for no system no because defensively no man mastermind the chiro no. Unya koi be for France chiro. And so ne ma Mbappe the opportunity the licenses to always attack. But the commander sasa with that ball in crowd say you attack there. Mbappe wants the ball and then take on opposition defenders. Now only ball in crowd. So a better way effective. Let's Mbappe in the game.
Kingsley Coman and Ivan Perisic omo nyina are wide players and I say omo bobo ne konchenchen but Oshomo profile that similarities in about 90%, differences in about 10%. The differences is that Perisic won chen wajboa or pick will be inside or no the bona commando. Or pick will be your box in the bona commando. But Coman jabo no chen as a jo no dribble the Beseneco inside her. So Perisic on dribble free outside Ember. But Coman do about dribble the. So I'm really sure say buying a share Tilo Kera say or break 1v1 situation and so move a player or a good dribbler it will taking on no channel or taking on no channel but Perisic they are could pass on facing 1v1 and we're taking on so Coman no my boy in a tough time rather than the Perisic buyer and I'm sure say backline he was the only player on build on game in the final so because it was all about Coman.
I see. Minimally, when you be better,
yes, a game ready. Should be Kakrabi or game incidents. Kakra, ACC, more, say to me, boy, and Yako Makra, no commentary on air, Papa, but say the video no air so. I'd say ice on a cake.
Easy.
Yeah, until more video non to Sonasa, share at the Kakra incidents, key incidents. So at this point, Osha Alfonso Davids and all wide. Wajibono they are buying and saying a buying so more attack and team shape in it. Lewandowski is the next player my picking on and over call up top one more Mula is also available. Serge Gnabry is the next offensive player for buying and then up top Kimmich. So who's a buying attack here? Offensive players in me and Sabatomi and Naru. Omi Kituabi. That's a Joe Sawasha Debia. Within the box, who said there was a man marking in Koso. Outside the box, omodi akọ real box in my way. He said, "Bono, aswechiko," and there is a man marking. But yesha how Lewandowski as the second one. So look at how Lewandowski yin who a free one Benato. Me one a man marking. This was the Bono Lewandowski Jinan and I back up so 10 in 360. A shoot here unya born the ball post. So this is how Juan Benat man marking or the free outside the box. Omura inside na Lewandowski so Juan Benat na fe osho boni bido. And Lewandowski has the time and patience out the 10 ball the post. Another incident buying a security ball where the name Thiago Ehuhiano. Now who's under Herrera step up so press Thiago Crabono. So Thiago Alcantara as the main manner or game no Adiama buying or best switch ball the Kwako Kimmich in the first building phase or the Basia Bre Alfonso Davids. Now of course Rocco Kimmich. So who's Lewandowski? Momo Moni Konoso. He's the next player Ujironomo. Now, who share the next defender Ujinechia? Thiago Silva. Obianche image we say mame. How Lewandowski ebe very Thiago Silva as the last defender ma pekeno. Now Bona could do Kimmich on top. Kimmich now has possession. Obe deliver the box room. But so Biasa peke Lewandowski or peke space. Thiago Silva as a captain. Ono the Jan in channel. So we assume so who no. Because no face in the earlier one I shared. So say Joe, look at how Lewandowski be evaded. Now Thiago Silva and the Lewandowski step back. Or the 9 but Thiago Silva about a picky space. Thiago Silva already were beating the marker and Lewandowski Chiaba. Thiago Silva as a captain. Anti-me and Lewandowski when positioning. Now Lewandowski stays between the two players. Thiago Silva the one mono. And then the captain and band Bono. And how Lewandowski ejina mumfinfin sa head but this was a ball na Navas a line or so. Another possession and I say pa Alaba has a ball. Alaba one player the first passing option here. You go here say or check it even area the next passing option now between the ball or even you between connected to Manoano the goalkeeper. Between lay a short pass at the tournament this player ujina make us Gnabry and you realize our options be how come what the ball come Mbappe baby Mbappe Ginano a player friends Alaba pressure be anyina so the ball come Mbappe so you realize that name as step up so Chelsea ball in the direction the arrow natural because na ball no air come baby Mbappe but later no name realized say Mbappe Saka ball no changing the routine so baby name and he wanted a one touch ball for Mbappe anchor. And at this scene, I say Mbappe chooses a space. And Sergio Hadley is so beautiful. Say Mbappe, a draw space for himself here. This is Mbappe to place the ball. After so send the ball on the corner, you know, and pulling home a creative space man. Now, about pick a spot behind Manuel or pick Neymar as a next option. One pick a move.
Na ball no boy no.
I think say sa ko bi man ko bi be ball dey that thing say na weak you.
Because no keeper is a fan of simple.
Obi ojina box no be frustrated. And who said David Alaba are quite relieved. Neymar are frustrated, Mbappe na mu, Juan Bernat Herrera, more boxing are frustrated, including and David Alaba as one player.
We action now come papa, but
Konya obekọ echi kakra bia na kiahwe.
Now come you there. We see ball.
Yeah, you ko echi kakra bia na kiahwe.
Okay.
Yeah, so Sergio, many incidents esi ball no ma and favor PSG for no. E ma ye hunu say their preparation na enough as a Champions League finalist. Enough, and this is another situation. A man buying for who said Tilo Kera the weak link or PSG backline. So Sergio Yansha the backline or the Osron 3 versus 2, and I say a 1. Now the whole situation here or send the ball no area Cosronomo. Kemich beam the deliver ball in the boxing. Tilo Kera and then Kingsley Coman. 2 players now I don't know a point almost because the whole incident na for more. This is the incident and here call it a penalty no. Now Fenerbahce no ebeko. This is the situation a 1v1 so you defender obo rifle back moment we say na say see who. So when you attack no 1v1 situations no ono so who him say o take you on. So how come position necessary? How come Kingsley Coman a team is signed to look at home be din ma or man that body shove na here argue say penalty no. So on the day, this is in the first half situation is a sim. On the day, Netilo Kerababe with link. Player facing 1v1 outside the box, or box in Muhuye. And pick a shot first time to say na Okano. Or that picking name Akakrabi or defender Nechi.
Yeah.
So the decision making was here. Another ball actually. So all the PSG players were frustrated. And na summarize it PSG almost 4 tunes in the game. So Sergio, yen narrow and first half on the second half on incidents back community so isimo. And you the summary of PSG strength and buying strength. So Medika can was him. Hana ye call you know. Now because Kingsley Coman had the opportunity to face Tilo Kera 1v1 because situation was running 3 versus 2. The next option a PSG aware or pick Kingsley Coman. So clear or picking. And defender also say aware say Kingsley Coman will be the receiver of the pass, but when to me I'm marking on. And now my question say so we defender and you can say on we rifle backer or straight and kasa and say on 1v1 situations want to me win a ball inside the box only the realm we this is where now me problem because still burning and for ball in real boxing you have the right to defend but all day long come on share. And na me so highlight to say if it had been Ivan Perisic, Satam no send one on facing 1v1 and tries to be taking on and taking players on around the area, inside the 6-yard box. So you need to me a can't tactics no. So PSG I'm prepared enough for my game no. Thiago Alcantara initiative build up at the buying once again and Kimmich as a midfielder. Now Kimmich in the straight away buying air connected with a simple pass and Kimmich na S7 as a midfielder no. So na me di kan highlight say buying a use Tilo Kera now o share asia Kimmich na lay ball no dey ato no e dey message na break up top. There are players at Ebabe Rabox Lewandowski Muller pick your positioning up top and then Kingsley Coman again in the second half on it Tilo Kera Sasoba. And this was another situation that could have gotten by in a goal. Tilo Kera enya where say any park reference Coman efnechi oba. Was Lewandowski a picky position in the box no. Tilo Kera enya where and you realize by Bia Lewandowski jina na hono yakana the center forward position. Number 9 kasa hono say Joe eseso jina. Hono Lewandowski a picky. So Ebema Kingsley Coman the freedom so the Rabbi box no picky a positioning. But the awareness of player friends Tilo Kera are buying to question so many times in a final, and once again Kingsley Coman a pick space. Lewandowski shows say oh born on this side. So Kimmich about pick Coleman just on the blind side of Thilo Kehrer once again, and Navas who may be about Beko until somebody offline clearance. Navas and it's an incident that is still game so many times. So Lewandowski are occupying FIFA, but it gives Coleman the freedom somewhere around it behind the back line. The same situation they go by any. The same situation. I had a ball player in Abaso. Always I will run it behind the back line and Thiago Silva and a clear ball on the free line. So that mapping or that pattern no come behind Thilo Kehrer no okay many times in the game. So many times in the game. Always back line run here. The same situation. Kingsley Coman no and then Kimmich picking just behind the striker. Center forward that picking the position away. Thilo Kehrer and was runner. Kingsley Coman stays behind him and Horn of Bessa picking. The offensive shape ni na so always Mula won Sergio interchanging roles.
Okay.
And to Kobas an advantage in about the players in which are running behind the line so and to always fall at the Kingsley Coman and who say Mula more taking positioning. PLG prepare said the kind but not enough and experience Juma or finals. We say in the first half more FAO PLG 9 times. In the second half more FAO about 18 times. But we are talking about by now you see Omobobo
European champion for the 6th time 1974, 75, 76, 2001, 2013 and 2020. They are the third most successful club in the competition's history. Real Madrid 13, AC Milan 7, Bayern 6, Liverpool 6. Played the entire competition without defeat. Sevilla is next in the European Super Cup, UEFA Super Cup. Congratulations once again. Salaam alaikum to my brother Al Hassan Bosingwa at Doha, Qatar, and the Kemen Tofik Gunja Adum. Good morning. Ana Herrera's 2 passes to Di Maria and Mbappe yesterday made me realize he's a top-class asset. I wish Manchester United never sold him. I wonder why many teams keep repeating same mistakes, selling quality and keeping the chaff. Evans Wefi Brekum and Abraham said, good morning. I'm Lord Tando from NT. Please, may I know that the transfer of the done deal transfers of Chelsea, I mean defenders and a goalkeeper. Good morning, congratulations to my Bayern, but the way my lovely team Arsenal are so busy in the transfer market, will win every competition next season. Greetings to all 7-day Church of Theocracy members. Season the Bashasha, we are not the wow. I've run electricals Paco So Estate Kumasi. Okay. Sergio, I'm Baba from Ho. Please, I want Andy Kem to update me on Kai Havertz, Ben Chilwell, and Thiago Silva's transfer to Chelsea. Okay, I'm very sad and can't control myself. This is a big test to my darling club, Accra Heart of Oak. If indeed Heart of Oak is a family worth dying for, my uncle Shomo can stake his life for Heart of Oak against all odds, even in sickness. Okay, I'm away by Saturday. Hi, General. Despite his age, it's easy to see why Chelsea and others are interested in him. A player with fantastic technical and leadership qualities, better than all centre backs combined, even at his age. You are welcome, Thiago Silva. My regards to the incoming Swami MP, Honorable Bashaka. Okay. And also, I don't know, no be can we ever Thiago Silva who say in rank one or your clearance is 6.
So
6. I want to compare
Rudiger,
Christiansen. 5 matches. or you bear 2 or 3 clearance play.
It is or no.
Open up permanent number. So we very soon.
Oh no, he was supposed to be.
But we tell him the kind.
I want it. I said boys no born be English.
Okay.
English be man common Canada.
Okay, what are Mahmoud Accra the UK? Good morning. So Joe, I foresee Bayern versus what are the anyway? Unbeatable Munich has won the Champions League. They deserve it. It will be very painful for PSG to win the Champions League. How Bayern Munich have shown their level. Congratulations to them. By the way, I foresee GFA elections again. It's a dream, but it will come true. God bless my family and friends. Nkoro Watara, Mamuda, they also did by I don't know. Akabako Hanafi, Maba, Franco Naruho. I mean, there's all transfer updates. Be ever one and kind of so. The accountant at the amount Newton failed to identify how their 2 centre backs were wrongly positioned prior to our goal. Makati, who was sacked pharmacy, and Wafa Bayern, SMP. Now, Bisu, as a Bayern team, why this has a few when you band the line, Congratulations to Bayern Munich for deservedly winning the UEFA Champions League. They really are worthy champions, even though I prayed for PSG success. This Bayern team is more powerful than the Liverpool team we are currently seeing. Alaji Mama Sali, a few when she band the line. Naro.
Yes, Joe.
I said Bayern is stronger at Liverpool.
Yes.
So
the current Bayern team. I agree.
Okay.
So Joe, they've won treble. Nanya common. Say Obe winning treble or winning the 2 domestic titles and Obeji Champions League. UEFA Champions League abako sem team bia ni hwa wajia wa winning matches nyina. Bayern has done it. They've won every single game on board this Champions League, including 5-0 against Chelsea, 8-2 against Barcelona.
Manusia na Mickey, I local source na go.
Okay.
To your cover. My name is I said, "Mo picture na ready ya. Mo famra. Abrante ba koso of a ball number 10 and 8 and Emma Kotoko. The shot ba. I jumped in the picture the baba. Na fi no so much credit on where you got tobacco.
So for me, I agree say the current Bayern team
on what basso.
Oh, okay.
So play we.
And just statistics here na time. Okay.
See, me free super next stati. Find an a picture better see. A brandy with the na bunkum no. Kofi. A boss shot never.
Okay, boss shot no e din bi ba mitrim.
Ah, ne friends kumia.
Da bi ne kumi.
Okay, whatever. You know they are fatu. A brandy we. Hi. 30 seconds. 0244263902.
Yeah, so Sergio, what I'm saying is that this Bayern team, I would say, is a better team than Liverpool now. Clearly, what Liverpool has done is to win the English Premier League. Now, it can't be brave because Omo winning league no be ache, but the achievement of the current team is the Premier League title. Yes, last season almost the same team and they win a Champions League, But Russia Bayern, anyhow Bayern has gone about winning this league is something amazing. But my dream say Basobondo no should go to coach Hans-Dieter Flick in November and Novakovic Omuyinedi. Initially, Bayern for now and need confidence in Dieter Flick until we decided say the Berman on temporary base. Then or twice one eventually omu confirming. So from November till now, he's conquered basically every single opponent way, and it's not easy. And we team now, yes, you can say omu attack, omu Lewandowski, omu Oden, but then Bayern has another strength, the ability to defend well. Mr. America say in current football, who can attack a deadly the deadliest striker. Probably you rate in terms of maybe individual abilities. Neymar, Mbappe, and of course Angel Di Maria. Udomo to Liverpool 3-1. Clearly, we say PSG 4 is slightly ahead. And this is a Liverpool side that what about 35 Champions League game? A barely so go. The first time they have failed to score. So this Bayern team, actually said they are not only good when it comes to attacking,
Defensively, they are very, very strong. And Manuel Neuer was the pivot and everything for Bayern yesterday.
Okay.
So you know, imagine said Thomas Tuchel and so Oma Ninua Germany PSG coach, you know, Oma ne bone kakra because who any team now you were down. I mean, could see changes are not say. Minim what the problem is with Mauro Icardi. Because I think Andy and I say Newton highlight no oba is train away ni mu ni nyina no basically omo ya midfielders so and it's all they down now pego who are 3 attacking midfielders. You take one off, probably bring Mauro Icardi and then ensure that ubenya more men in the box. He decided to bring in the changes no outside the midfielders and a neighbor when we were down and we're looking for goals. So I think that Ononso so and Shada Amwa in a way trying to help his team. Say team no that form now a Champions League final, uni any return league. In Tedru baby, you throw caution into the wind and then try to see what you can do. But when to me Anyanisa, so for me, Hans-Dieter Flick was the main man for Bayern and the name of Muyen and Rano. He will be a good addition for a Chelsea team.
What I know is that Chelsea basically agreed a 1 year deal with him. Oma agreed for 1 year.
Yeah.
With Thiago Silva.
All right.
So you Benchiwo.
You're happy. I'm not only happy with just 1 year and it's not happy.
No, me make 2 years, cra.
No,
and 1 year, no problem.
So it's 35. The demand of the league, Premier League, you know, and football zone say, what do pick no time to do? So for I do a bad boom.
Okay.
On the mission. So therefore, Luke could come even the next season.
Okay.
Even though as the last night he's performing at the top level, but the four could come just next season. Into 1 way now, come between 35 years, not come 2 years. Then 1 year and come to Mafi. Then you are obliged to say, "Oh, Chelsea can no man." So I think Chelsea are trying to play it safe.
I'm sure that they will do it 1 year, then maybe the option to renew depending on Benchiwo. They on Chelsea Gusu Kasa. The last time I checked, no, I say I got some 5 million being a down them. Frank Lampard I ain't clear. Send a left full back 1 day. We hear Benchiwo and Ubi Samia Mifuze. He's a better number 3 than Chelsea training MSN Marcos Alonso.
Right.
Quickly, Abrante Bika under Herrera from United. United and Tom under Herrera. The contract so United man offer and also Oko. He left. So he was not sold and a chaff naka or no moment rejected the offer to
okay,
stay.
young local stories no as when they brother think what was on can cry was on can Salah Maxima what was he
penalties
yeah 2 penalties
try and look into it
so it might Mbappe the no penalty
I think Mbappe the more penalty than Kingsley Coman.
Okay.
Kingsley Coman there no yes at the point in time we look when ekran but and I heard the final analysis now. If you do that, you know you try to get Inana Kuswaba in Sunu Hiegu, while we're in you go back, no sako, sense soon for but not much. And as long as both of them continue to exist and live, no, it's proven. Say omunye put omutimi enyem no conceiving there. The ministry and Copa Momo be at the right time. But omo pa bomunya den for 3 consecutive way there. Omo pa bomunya den. Omo consider changing omo doctor obano so obano nyima the private doctor on consider say obey a wider consultation. I'm being honest with you. I'm being honest with you this on your wider consultation now you be a specialist doctor clock here na when obano anyma on say doctor no because you know there are a lot of things to detect along the line for 9 months
and a girl 3 years wow. There's all the sources say Allah knows best.
Yeah, that's painful.
Okay, on console no here.
But it's happening. But Baba so one time boom that for.
Salah, I mean, it's true, why be? Don't worry. Kwambiki,
General.
Just o third day you know the market modern.
Okay.
So the phone is set rather than no hang.
First picture now show you know Mark Eduamufa.
Yes, so
Mark Eduamufa from Liberty to Kotoko. Yeah. 054 147 2661. 054 147 2661. Second picture.
No, her first picture. No, she should that there.
That form no.
Or that form one.
Makedua mo friend.
If I'm just way I may say a friend say or Paki may say soon me or the enemy. Very soon me.
Where the US Army
Americans soldier ni
oja born about this
o say
so who mean the national service who we are no asaba
we soldier ni agasa since na jumo yen soldier ni US the difference room yeah I Paki only didn't bother soon me
the second picture Anna Nikobo. Anna Nikobo.
Okay. Anna Nikobo that you know.
Yes. Anna Nikobo ni.
Did you want indeed?
So you mean that
from RT to Kotoko. Okay.
Anna Nikobo 024 024 172 1151 024 172 1151 Ronaldo Virginia omo kan bi no mo bo ama
Ronaldo there Jacob
Shane pa na
Ronaldo Virginia USA
Basha Kadia no na ato asinti I was say
unko sani anasani
unko
mi nya credit
Miss One credit
unko ya mishra
so ko acho
message why
much sense
why dey pa
unko ko bridge so dada de afina o kai ya say
do mo ba
enam
this salad be share enam so enam zungu ro jije enam ayachi
no de bere
be see na
so why bibi me call landing on your time jana juma be family me ku chi e to o shopping crowd man I think that you must commend him why so unko o ko tuna
na winners no Orlando kan wana
Pacho Derby
Orlando filmmaker sokwa
numbers am boy 024 172 1151 Anna Nikobo ani Anna Nikobo dia and 054 147 2661
050 815 what set time on the buy was screenshot the abrem say
yes last Friday
now that we usually buy
last Friday obi challenge me papa penny and I'm so okay and I'm so me share the time na me hu ye na me screenshot in the time and I do win me screenshot the only response God bless you no damn say I bu all the bar a bit bejaw
my cry we most important send me no pay I said ne papa 51 years in there.
Oh, okay. Kotoko Imasubo.
Emosade.
As good.
Yes, Asante good. Emosade.
Winger.
Papa George Kofi Fofi. And 51 years. Emoso was in Papa.
Okay.
Happy birthday. Nyamisha na onya time ngana.
Okay.
General. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. No mone Asamoah Gyan edi nkomo. Nkomo didie no koso. Ba Kumasi Asante Kotoko ayi slow awa Asamoah Gyan ho. I slow our Asamoah Gyan ho nti and only the latest on Asamoah Gyan
adintra de badia
and says sikasem
okay
sikasem yeah o my slow ho nti and only latest
sikasem so oboni free
o say
so no sikasem because of oboni free
o there be so be ball kakra bi
so be ball kakra be one season yeah sikasem bi anya kitikiti but so ba be charges kakase
nti I slow kakra on Asamoah Gyan Emmanuel Keyeke
come ba me baby
Emmanuel Keyeke General Karela Asatana Kotoko no contact omunyan contact boy no is akachom so mbo Karela but Asatana omun Kotoko for make contact and nam so mama so konedu odin sema tudwa or CCC Kotoko players no omu doso 38 players nti ebi beko amebi aba yenti coach Maso Konedu
top players were Ghana and already we are 38. Kotoko has 38 players now Ethiopia we can only acquire 40. Definitely we will let some go. Ose
almost 60 na de come CEO no 60
and 60 there
60 players
60 Then you know fabricated stories. Don't mind them. Fabricated stories and cry. Oma exaggerate sir. Obun fuma on famba. Yes sir.
Yeah.
Ghana has 60 players. Adam. Even 38 you for management. If you are 38, we are not happy. Kotoko is paying 38 players. No, 38 players na Kotoko was a as we speak. those who went on loan and those we have, we assume say we are returning, right? On our list right now, even if you call the secretariat, they'll tell you we have 38 players as protocol team. But I can tell you, say we reduce the squad. That one we will reduce.
Coach Maso Kunedu nsɛm odi tu dwa no January beto so ewon nsɛm foforo ma Ghana Football Association Club Licensing Board wom se sabre next season we coach o certificate no unkuta de ma wo kwan ma coach Premier League club this time January restriction no omo be miem ye ma un coach club bia se ma kwan se coach na koyishim no uni bia untimi coach wom de ato eye Club Licensing Board no de ato Premier League a competition committee nanim se Kumasi Asante Kotoko Kim Faisal Deportivo Wasamai omkope venue for league matches omkope venue a ometime si omakan ewo ho because babayara yenwie enoni said the city asat now womfa let be empire enoni said the city e fa Januam ye toaso a sese no gate process for a FA Cup no GF ne beko Congress no mo say e ba se gate process a omunya efa FA Cup no home teams no ene away teams no munya pe nti emma home team no entimi promo game ni Mexican eni to mo ya hihye sese no ubo home a ye be increase sika no e de amount say the be ya betimi
you take that decision
GFA ubo
GFA
yes ubo home a on be increase sika no e de amount percentage no in order say obetimi da promote a game no e wo GFA documenta o me ko Congress no e wom yes e wom and only decision
now we document
yeah more document no e wom wo me de proposal
Congress for approval
can't stand no and then am I confused say obo league match home na we unite FAP
FA Cup
oh okay
FA Cup na me can me say FA Cup yes me say FA Cup FA Cup nti eno ne se de city as so mpese wa obo home no onye opportunity na promo games no nti no ombe increase percentage no e de amount na January omo aye fi se ket ebeso dwumedie num omo audited account omo de call Congress ame akwajatum as 30th of June omo se omo buy no omo repair ene omo maintenance our GF equipment no 39,996 pacho utime
budget and say scale must spend your budget your idea for the budget
yeah
and you sika was spending and on your budget
my confused
pacho and you get clearance and number
one my confused
other stories no to you na any won komo kakra
when you dey
figure now dey ba
when you audited account as a 30th of June
to
there's not been any audited account
to you drew
and audited account no but do you must spend the asset 30th of June
your budget ho na you dey spend
okay and when say the city enso ewo ho January otua so a wo ma make amendments bebrea wo ma de ko Congress no said the be Congress members no enso betimi agiatum enso ewo bi nitino enu yentimi embobo ni nyina so emfa emma mo enne anopenamum House of Oak Frederick Moore ene di tudwa samanfo so e kotokoni oso no onye kotokoni no mo nim no from collaboration nyina nim se wo ye house ni ono Frederick Moore ono anakai enti no
okay
2020 address to all companies and the media.
What we do, the House of Oak said, somebody said, when I was a child, I was a political fan. If somebody says that, Mr. say, Mr. what were people calling me? If they can mention the name that my area people used to call me, then it means that person really knows me. You're way off. Okay. And ask them which school I went to in Kumasi. Okay. If they can answer those two questions, then it means they know me a little bit. Okay. But I can tell you, before I came to House of Oak, I met a number of phobians that I worked with who knew I was a phobian. Okay. Right. And some of them have been involved in the RCC and other things. So, look, people can say whatever they like. You can't stop somebody from saying something. Yeah.
Oye hasini from Nkwalabrim and when some say start time and Star Life a wamaba eye has no
ebru se omo to bas kora de ma house nyema wo ma ye e de ma house no ebru se omo ton e de ma house na mo kika se has of work so players contract ewu mu ntimi ensign no wo se omo try any place ekasa a renew contract no enso e de mo eno ne hihia eno so etimi e double ntimi okay ai
place ne contract na se no
yenti no
come pesi tie no
okay yenti
do is that every season we'll look at the top players that we want to retain and reward depending on where they are from. We don't wait till 1 year. I've seen that too, that people say, oh, you're training after season, no, we've never done that. The board that I work to, that I'm a member of, requires that I provide them with information. Every quarter when we meet, we look at the player profile. Whose contract is about to end? Who do we need to reward? So if you don't know, or when you see something on social media, don't always believe it as fact. Okay.
Frederick Mo na echirebo no say omo hie bia oma board no update to players no contract enye say contract ni bewu ansa na mpo no wo metima hwe say wo ma safi na contract do no ma be nimu so mo no ba be renew contract no nyesa na bo mo wo sa so di tudwa ani de o say Joseph Isodie wo ma wie abanteni ntimi emba emesia kan emfa mahas biom the supporters no enso entiase eno ne semef as code so muguso atwen omo no mpese omo start training omo se sabre said the nyamesi kono mpese omo start training into omo choleted amagan
abodu ba kwa pa osima aduasa enum Nkoma ya koso ha no we say give it me aka no television is but too bad
tell be too bad
na ko ma bia tu
na what here ngo ma duma bi
ai ko bi si bi be 1 month all right in the local stories na do go no my mama just free Kofi Champon Mr. Champon I say yes Mr. Champon
me kan so papa we ya oti ya adia the speaker wati one ha and yet you know see the last I didn't see the last of our conversation
Mr. Champon I say yes Mr. Champon and that kwa bwana mendi do na me your favorite okay me your favorite we ye ko container abenkwan dumpoto brefientam ya mendi di na we only na kafanti the trust the later me your favorite
because
container abenkwan
I didn't hear the last of that conversation
is he brefientam you go
so the mark
you go
was this one who saw on the obako
yes
we jabui
nim so favorite ko container abenkwan you go
Joe Mami starting fee the supposed we know to Kotoko and fancy Deportivo Wasaman and a film is King Faza or Sassan Kotoko Deportivo Wasaman King Faza so more MPV so MPV cry I believe it's a better day next season but what must say that is when if Kumasi to do no movie but for time so according to the timelines now Ministry of Youth and Sports no the National Sports Authority no they renovate the Kumasi Stadium and we start on we stadium no but what must say and because this is in it there and look as a club will be a venue because the venues will be determined by the Ghana Football Association per the format now GF in the person of the ball league this season
okay
say Premier League no you bet you 2 9 wa sa 9 wa no FN be identify 2 venues team bia ba ku yo home ba ku yo away on abobo matches another 9 no 2 venues ba ku yo home ba ku yo away on abobo even the division 1 inside division 1 each zone bia is 16 but what I say the 16 no mesa chim 2 na 8 na no so jeff na pe venues sa no we use abo ntenya wo venue to be inspected by the club licensing no muna be determined so venue you qualified and you qualified but what they make a so if renovation me Kumasi to mumu we ya Deportivo Kotoko wana omuni burden do me we sipo no mu we ya Hazakers and all those clubs no use no omuni burden because of the format and then if any percent or cut cost around the clubs cut traveling no involved around the league ni nyina no na new format na person the ball league into no they only inspect the venues on individual basis so we invite for clubs no so club license in front of invite venue no we inspect say e be approved by the Ghana Football Association for the FA to use or adopt those venues as the venues na the ball league no if there will be any such na be the following season which would then be if I say 2021-2022 because we be 2020-2021 we ever started but what must say and by 2021-2022 no that's our renovation we come to no movie pay timeline no the year juma no yeah that's number 1. Number 2 Mickey story somewhere about in terms of the Congress document no. I don't want to go into details of that but let me place on record emphasis say the Congress document I say if in some of the Babontina nowhere they contain expenditure and I say audited account as Ukofo can do and in fact as you speak now I find if a shortlisted auditors or the Congress for approval to before being audited account so all the account no and also income and expenditure statement with the amount auditors more audit we as not thing about Congress.
The figures now, okay, can you figures be?
A budget.
Na budget is any expenditure.
There be any expenditure. Budget a GFA no a year da.
Na sika was say no.
There be sika was say budget. In fact, Osha Mukrampa, sika na FA no expect some benyan kwan. Be akati start times near fee $700,000 because of this COVID we say omutua kakrebi yo omutua de aka. Into you didn't even earn that money let alone to go and spend that money. Link they say starting near bono. Why you expected expenditure so be to refuse so be to my commissioner so be say link the account into your much into those expenditure and yet they said there it will be far less than the
figure be about bontia and yes budget
say or share the normal sika officer ebebanie internal science no sika officer of expending based on programs na da ho event ni programs ni competitions FNN so bobo we expect sika from MTN we expect from Star Times we expect this expect that and I'm saying to officer bobo FA Cup bobo league bobo women's league bobo division 1 bobo say to be to refuse be to match commissioner be to cameraman be to say ni na kate at a point in time
okay
into those expected inflows no Joe Amba said the no project here no. Similarly, those expected expenditure no and kosa said that we see a proposal here. Until the document now about a year budget prepared IFNA Community Congress. I think Congress February or March, but Congress number so. But don't me change no. What do they call for ratification? Oh yeah, not the was spending no. Based on your inflow, cash inflow, and then they was spending auditors as the Congress never approve auditors. No more the more audit. So account in the later about Congress as audited account. So those documents there is nothing called audited account in those documents now. In fact, the two budget one any one a year na a day from June year next year May ending.
And these are figures now about Bontin as money spent by the FA, total false.
False, yes, and it's
all right.
So, those are basically areas that I'm and then if I want to come back with in terms of club license no your stages or categories, maybe a licensing board no legal, administration, infrastructure, technical. Oh no. Did you say we're not legal format in maybe they will forgo infrastructure no totally forgoing that maybe our offices on person which in my opinion falls under the administration. Then legal what register our company no. Oh no. Obligations are you meeting them tax obligation one what are the two account for year economic state no. Those will be the legal. But what administration? Do you have the right people, the right qualification in terms of your structure? Or board? Or will see you? Or we say in the airport technical area? No coach, no, or the required license. We could say license. Say those are the things they'll be looking out for, but not particularly why I will ball or match because those ones will be determined by the Ghana Football Association.
And briefly on Mr. Fred Moore, Ismano Okano, one on Kotokoni, number 2 board, any management, and Sensibia, Ebia, Ubifo say technical, enough in a board, blah blah blah.
Yes. First of all, in some of those, I think that I have a feeling, say. Fred Moore, since he took over as heart CEO, I've met him. Very fine gentleman and with a lot of brains.
So, about studio,
if you engage him, yes, many in your private meetings. Oh no, and say studio, they don't say I want to the about you are prepared now. Become myself, but I'm engaging in private meetings, and I can see his quality. But I feel say some members of the House of supporters have never accepted him. As someone Jinutum, so can we as our supporters need been and Jinutum, the baby and your move. As some say, near the fourth cry, near Edia Fahakuman. You do get it. I listened carefully to what you were saying. So, quarterly, when the Umunya quarterly meeting, a board meeting, discussing the technical one of the players, no one. I was wondering, say, those things, me, in my opinion, I think a management function or technical function. Technical for be assess players ni technical no that catch say and I'm sending my player when come awenko but also quarter lo come discuss that day how them do go blame Frederick Moore how to focus you say the powers or duties of management or technical and the board inti basa his hands are tied.
My friend, is it not an issue of he being weak?
No, I don't think so because you say Oyerika in Kawaba maybe we do 1 year on you when you Jaffa but utina sama practice. Oh, as a quarterly committee now, no discuss no man. It's like he came to meet it. What man say? Sankabia, the Jumana man. Why you bear 1 year, 2 years, and maybe a few. In that case, you will probably have to sack me because you see, being a CEO of Heart of Folk and name Joe, and yeah, and to support my project, you and I will say any CEO project or MD project. And yet to go for the level project. And to what will be the job of a Heart of Folk CEO MD? It's about managing the first team. And if indeed they say a dear man now or failure, some kind of permanent than the board taking up that who just have money we are, what will be left for the CEO MD to do? But my project and heart management Juma. A big way above we say a board audit, a board chairman Juma. Okay. But to the majority must say. And see this one there as enhance the time.
Before narrow bebano, minim okoje apobi chocho no maybe about you them kika no boom ba. Na we call Andy Kebo na mege. Andy na masokuna do kan number of players we are award the video mo kwan ni Mickey kan omo ba nsem bebre minim dia na onim.
Well so John kayeke I'm told say for non person for Kayeke bio because initially no na Kayeke was in the plan because na James mem
Akamenko
yes now mem
okay
into her plan the plan was Justice Blee Ebetna omo signing no now Kayeke comes in and Abila comes in on say the inning now started from Latif and Abila say Omra and issue Coach Masokwadu supporters Dr. Chi Ebemu and Anabila there he has always been on the tone of every Kotoko supporter Coach Masokwadu and the Kotoko management team into one there he has been the first choice player and Obian him say Justice Blade yes or a part and parcel of Kotoko Musa Omon signing no but Abra Omon Valley even the CEO cry he was there and how important to the cause of the Kotoko team and me mu kakra amaye na kire say James Akamenko ye free ne Latif and Abila obviously will join not Justice Blay will join there say in pecking order no say omo sha they feel say they need to go in for a James Akamenko instead of Abranti Efeni Emmanuel Kayeke because they do there's one problem and it has always been the Kotoko problem in the last few years Coach Masokwadu a day he was unveiled Uncle George Amakoka said players are back Kotoko nyina he recommended about 90 plus of the players about and he recommended them and Coach Masokwadu G2 now my worry is this so she players are likely so be free team nim any players are likely so be transfer say you players are about a year akre bi mu ne ebi mu ni 1 year in Kotoko so the question you ask yourself they say if you are putting 10 players on transfer, now about 4 players Kolona, then how did Coach Masoknodu recommended those players to the Kotoko setup? Because James Akame Nkoba, Nasa Latifa Nabila Ba, not just play sign said you a Chester Kotoko midfield no. You are going to have about 5 players and almost started in last season. Martin Antwi will not be playing again. Kwame Adom-Frimpong will not be playing again. Mudasiru will not be playing again. Colin Samia will not be playing again.
I know Mudasiru Mobium is a very good player.
I said you. Players now Bob in India so mobile chess or Mobium.
Wow. Mudasiru who against Hatofuk.
He is not better than any of the players I'm able.
Okay. Carry on.
But so the left-footed midfielder, person balance or midfielder, which may use
Newton.
None. I'm the.
Okay, what do you
Yeah, or more honey, or more benny. I mean, yeah, so be a dominant left-footed central midfielder. Be with me, got with me a coffin if they need that balance. With Mudasiru, they as a joker, and then I may.
Tell me a shock of but I know you're an advocate.
Yeah,
but all technical person.
Yeah, the only left-footed central midfielder our game, dominant. I mean, wait me using all top level. And Mudasiru.
Rule Ben will play. So coming Kuho. Nabila Justice Blay around her.
Mudasiru, I can't ask them to say a bit say
Adom-Frimpong.
Yeah, can't a bit say Blaise Matuidi who has 7 years. They are not very common. Left-footed central midfielders. Omoye all the dirty job. Not men can be about 95. He's quite different. And so person obo a 4-3-3 midfielders no 15. They are left-footed. Ojina Benkuma for more. You go for that boy. Mudasiru. Obo 3 midfielders who here do ball Benkuma for Mudasiru.
Okay.
And in 4-4-2, 2 central midfielders no open left midfielder a bia or number 3 in the qua waiting a slot action Mudasiru. Because we're left-footed, so open so you should train when you move more. Now in your balance with your or play an econo left back in the corner. Mudasiru slot back. No, I show on Mudia so and I make it.
And this way, do the interest one.
Sadio Sadio see Coach Masoknodu voice ni bi o say Kotoko sign top players.
Okay,
asano kai Kotoko sign top players. Let me quote him.
Okay,
now Kotoko yo Justice Blay omo Anabila omo fa Anabila omo fa James Akame Nko Sadio Mudasiru ayeka na oba Kotoko 2 games na wabo wa sele Nina Kotoko has games. Apart from that, games are all now I sell it. And I'm saying that
I say you need Kotoko has game to yourself to prove something. and two crucial games, you know. Yeah.
No, after those has games, you know, he was always playing with injuries. Injuries never.
His first game he was in Egypt.
I said then go for some mount.
His first game for Kotoko he wasn't injured.
Okay.
When deliver.
In the first game, there's one. And you Kotoko first game when deliver.
But in all honesty, do you sincerely believe, sir? So our players in fact, Justice Blay, James Akame Nko, Latif Anabila. Do you think every single game will be Omo deliver?
Oh, definitely.
I can give you examples of games, sir. Akame Nko. Just say, what to throw her? Joe, don't you to throw her? Would have been a champion? Just say,
I mean, we had good games.
Hey, we got I'm saying, sir, you know, if you base on your way, you say, game will be delivered there. I play on a totality.
Hey,
what I say, I can't because one of the quality players, and I'm like one of the quality players. Yeah. But there are games they didn't deliver.
No, my point is that
Andy Sama
said you as I stretch it.
No.
This is the coach who said that he's buying top players. It's not part of the Kotoko team. If you are number 10, or number 8, said you. Why has Masoknodu been chasing Latif Anabila?
Time Biana, super subs was stars power. Very rich bench.
And I said Africa crown. I said, oh, here quality bench. You need
players are born with you. Why are you stretching?
All right.
He said, yo,
in a normal team, at least you need position be at least here.
And Americans who here super.
And bench
we am said the coach now. Because the American omo questions on Beka. Ah, me say Sergio. Kotoko midfield no. Omo da see
omo players.
So what draw say all things considered. These players quality Damodasiru.
Yeah.
No argument. But when you say game won't deliver, but game won't deliver idea.
So Franco was citing examples of games or SLA, and I spoke about Kotoko has game or boy or SLA, and I was saying other games now you injured, and I was giving examples to games or boy are no injured. Intimate said you because of the time.
Okay,
now I will expand it.
Okay. Andy is making his submissions as if Asante Kotoko will only need 3 players in the midfield. A good team is not a team with good first 11, but a team with good bench. Orlando, filmmaker, Asokwa, and so Abba. As Fred, faithfuls, the message be by now, or him, I'm so of a print home. The mistakes in the woman, as a Kokuma can camera phone. It was deleting fast crowd. Okay. My young over 5 minutes.
Mate said you with the name down for KK.
Good morning, Fred.
KK of KK Photos Asafo. Happy birthday. Said you 70 dollars. First of all, me make a call Baba Yara because over the weekend yeah, you know me information say Ejuma no mo ye ohonom and share that enkoso. Onze Enche say all things being equal, Kotoko will be going to Africa. Anyway, somewhere in March, and Omo closely Baba Yara Sports Stadium, a certain Monday ahead of C's match. And then near Kachi will be an Omo NCC or Baba Yara Ago Pramanoso in the Senti Enche. The last time I heard the Honorable Sports Minister, Honorable Isaac Esiama, now also by October, Ombi Baba Yara Ago Pramano. I'm thinking that Asante Kotoko, we government, if you have Baba Yara Sports Stadium, no, the next biggest stakeholder of Baba Yara Sports Stadium is Asante Kotoko. Into my dream, say in the course of the week, and I try finding out from some influential Kotoko people, say, Omunim ejumane seni esiko, omajaya na omunyaye, are they interested? And I didn't see the interest. I'm thinking that Sekotoko on plans Mzombe Africa so Munsuye interested in the course of Baba Yara Sports Stadium because Ombebo Africa now they will be better off playing at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium than any other center. So
this shown in what form?
Yes, Sergio. Okaprenim.
Interest no go.
Bao a major stakeholder and to be to my friend honorable minister. Opening
no lobby, no
yeah, Sergio, they lobby and push because it was our election year we are. Why we are paying for cry fee? Say, a jume be the hoe as you mudi. And the cake and analysis can mudi my projects near Bebre. It is a water tran one push you interest. One way out there and a bed dampine. After any baba on so still stadium near closed. And Yakotoko there, but Mesu here buying free war. The biggest stakeholder at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium is Asante Kotoko, and they should be interested because they want to go to Africa. Sergio, Mickey, Asamoah ne Kotoko meeting or say about weekend. Any
your capacity as a member of the G unit?
No, maybe what I know.
Okay,
I'm speaking.
Your capacity of what you know.
Some may input.
Okay,
and I didn't know
your capacity as a human being.
Me as a person.
Me as a person. Yeah, no weekend. There's somewhere about town now by private business visits. In fact, Obanita Hotel, in a private business discussion. Kotkopenyi bi enya eneni dinkomo. But omunkomo di eni dia. I started on kind of that. Also already Nana Yamponsa Kotoko new CEO no. Oni Asamoah manager Samuel Animado. Omone bete Fire Rangers. So they have their relationship already. Omo eka omonsem. But my dream say odds no shedam favor Kotoko bebre. Because as we speak, Asamoah will Qatar invitational tournament, US or no offer. Then Paraguay for Binum Kofa Adebayono. They also a table offer for him. Then Legon City is also show interest. And to share odds now a dorsal.
Then Samini Asamoah Jane. So, you met Matiana, you met Matino Mokana. I ain't telling someone else Samini no way.
guys, the man ambushed me. I wasn't prepared. No, wait. I wasn't prepared for him. I come no, me there's somebody to go play no. So then the man can't get the first up. So I didn't have a game plan. So I will revenge.
Me had a game plan. Me never be shower.
So what you know from one?
Me never be shower.
What you know there be no from one? Yeah, because yeah, the two platforms. Me can't say we should learn to do.
I mean the only obia.
That's why I'm being tennis ball.
Me so kruma ma de ni omni so. Yes, I mean do. But you didn't left the great channel. You go into us.
I was telling you nyabo.
Mama mpe upa mama wasam match. Obo tennis serious. Wow. Oy multi talented.
Oh Roba mama mfa nko Ashanti tennis.
Oh sir. Oba be come good dem. Eti baby jade and the ho asem no. Ayi susu de kudwo no e de no susu wo honom. Nim kudwo no. Visa ho ayede ama no. The visa or the call Germany Leipzig and Romania bread and then there are some other teams, but it looks like Senema and Koya already almost so near Kotoka started some form of discussion. In Tiano Hun Samne there's a you could grow baby. Samne baby by time.
What Andy saying? Mudashiru in his element is better than Anabila, and I don't know how he can convince me on that. Andy is making his 11 by names, not what the players can do on the pitch. Kwame Adom-Frimpong also in his elements should always start at Asante Kotoko. Michael Abebu.
Adom-Frimpong. Michael Kuma from Ashtown. Said you Obi Onim Adom-Frimpong. They believe they have so much confidence in him.
Okay.
On say
and Michael Abebu is your crew from boy.
Sejo
obia nim
boy ni born no area hankasa no onim born bankasa but for me oba kotoko no they may expect no nyanye people are a bit disappointed kakaba. Usually your first season some of these things happen onim born bankasa.
All right, good morning Sejo. Please ask Andy Kem, based on his Saturday submission, will he choose Charles Taylor over General Osei-Kuffour and why? Aqua Seth anyway if you are Sokore Mampona ba choose Charles Taylor ahead of
Charles Taylor me say me hwe Ghana ball onim ball bochi obi amahwe bia.
Wow.
Obia.
Okay. Free Nyantachi movement Mipamucho Coach Kamara say yemfanto obi anim say forms na mo bagigi ye no Yawada any twato ISO bia the forms na eba yesremo Free Nyantachi movement so one sign so now bomodia
say training and international
friend number o say
training and intini assign pop.
Oh yes,
me ko sign na nya botrese me go through the list no dem penifo akukulam seriously papa nam ne ho odo say you
aban nanado
menya nanka me okwan pa se me bubo nkrofo mi hu omudin
yes nanado yes ni die ni bu yes nana Emrason say Ode Abrante no ho a channel 0244-536-859 we any number over free Bam Chopper 0244-536-859. Happy birthday and so come Abednego Cole aka Dutchman we are sports journalist Kingdom FM Dutchman. Happy birthday Kofi.
Me come element no me call this your time no. Nantwi ni tabua suna busun e wo adwoso onwe. Ni adanse. Ni adanse so bia say omo da reho siama for say omo busun ni omo de hie Nick Nanankatia die one sorry. Ti kwada be Wednesday no kwada 12 August. Nti umchase na watch no ye Yawada 27th August okay from adopa no isi akopi manwume no sia ewo Ademra Kumase Shiro ya hotel hono be na watch no Ademra Ulman Gaddafi so dan crofo ase
Ulman Gaddafi I should have been there
papa you know okay yanko no say so ya contribute
yeah Ulman Gaddafi papa na go for the currency my pa Mudashiru play in any team anywhere. Mudashiru is a quality asset and can play so many roles in the midfield. He is not popular, but he's a very quality midfielder. Sir Fred, and the day we about to know true in here. And I'm going to say, Ali Baba Dankambare, no, what my tremble 5 hours coffee. I dare my cut to say, oh.